Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to fix cannot connect to the App Store on your iPhone and iPad iOS 16. So guys, let's get started without wasting any time. First of all guys, what you have to do is just simply close this page from here, and then let me tell you that firstly what you have to do is just simply set your time to automatic. For that, open setting, then scroll it on, tap on general, then tap on date and time, and from here you have to turn the dual on for this, and then go back. And after that, what you have to do is just simply check your cellular setting. For that, open settings, tap on mobile data, and then from here you have to search for App Store. And if this toggle is off, then you have to turn it on again. And after that, check whether the problem has been fixed or not. And if the problem select is there, then what you have to do is just simply sign out your Apple ID. For that, tap on setting, then tap on your Apple ID, and here you can see sign out. Just simply sign out your Apple ID, and then turn off your device at least for the 60 second, and then turn it on again, and then check whether a problem has been fixed or not. And if the problem selects is there, then what you have to do is just simply restart your iPhone by pressing the combination of keys of your device, and then check whether a problem has been fixed or not. And if the problem select is there, then what you have to do is just simply check out Wi-Fi connection. For that, you have to open settings, and then you have to tap on Wi-Fi, and then you have to turn the toggle off for this, and then you have to turn it on again, and then connect to Wi-Fi, and then check whether the problem has been fixed or not. And if the problem select is there, then what you have to do is just simply reset network settings. For that, you have to open settings, scroll it on, tap on channel, and here you can see transfer reset iPhone. Just simply tap on this, and then tap on reset. And here you can see at the second number, reset network setting. You have to tap on this, and you have to give your passcode, and you have to tap on reset network setting. This will delete all network setting, return to factory defaults. So after doing this, check whether the problem has been fixed or not. And if the problem is like this there, then what you have to do is just simply check for iOS update. If any update available here, then you have to up to date this one, and after that your problem hopefully will be fixed. So that's it guys for today's video. If the video is helpful, please like the video and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.